Here's a quick tip for you. Let's assume that you want to connect all these parts. What do? Well, you can use Tenon Mortise joint. Just click it, select one of your studs, and select the plane where you want to connect your stud to. Bring up the Tenon menu, and here you can customize your own Tenon joint. Of course, you can adjust the width, the length of it. You can set the reference side, the traverse distance, the offset if you want to, the depth of it, and all the other stuff. You can make drilling, you can set the diameter, the edge distance, the offset, and if you want to, you can make the tenon a square, not rounded. If you want to, you can always apply these settings which you did as a default, set as default, and if you press apply default, it will revert back all these settings to the previously saved default settings. Click OK. Of course, you cannot see the tenon right now, but we have a useful feature called display mode, and more exactly wireframe model with textures. And now you can see that you have a little tenon joint between these two elements. What if you want to make it multiple times? Then click on the tenon command, press Shift on your keyboard, and select all the elements you want to connect. Of course, you have to pay attention so that all these yellow triangles must be facing towards the element you want to connect them to. Press Shift again, select the plane, and now here you have all three tenon joints creating at the same time. And of course, you can adjust them too at the same time. Let's make an offset, maybe something like it. Let's make drilling, and let's make them square, just like it. Click OK, and now you have all these parts connected together. Let's go back in the visual mode, and that is how you use the Tenon Mortise command in Viskon 16.